Alright guys, so Merry Christmas to you. Here's what we got to deal with. Okay, now on camera it looks even worse, but there's no street lights on. And the snow is really whipping. So I can't tell if it's actually okay, that's bad right there. Whew. Those winds were whipping, that's a whiteout right there. Oh man. Oh that is bad out there. Ooh. Hard to tell if it's because of the streetlights being out, and that's why it looks worse out, or if it actually is worse out. But that right there definitely made it look like that was just pure weather. Right there, that was look at this. It is bad. So, Merry Christmas to everyone, and maybe I'll see you guys maybe by New Year's. We'll be able to leave the house. It's bad out here. So obviously no dumpster diving or trash picking because you can't go anywhere. Whole county's under a travel ban. It has been since yesterday because it's been snowing since Friday morning. Probably like 10. It's 5:45 now on Saturday. So we'll see ya sometime.